Good day. I am Ansel Olivares. Today, I will demonstrate the proper standard procedure in using and returning drafting tools and materials. Before we start, we need to select the tools and materials that we use in the activity. First, we need a T-square, triangle, compass, masking tape, HB pencil, eraser, towel, and A4 bond paper. Next, we need to clean the table. And tools we will use. And after that, we need to wash our hands before we start.
Wala ka pa, wait lang. Ito nga tapos eh. Makadali ka ba? Ano papel?
Before we start, we need proper handling and use of drawing materials. I will demonstrate the proper handling and use of tools. If you have a mistake, this is the proper use of eraser. And last, follow the standard procedure while working. All the tools and return it to the tool keeper. After the activity, we need to submit your finished work to the assigned instructor. And last, we need to clean our workstation and turn off the equipment. This ends my demonstration. Thank you.